Everyone, welcome to the channel. This is a monthly read for Cancer, Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of August. Today with the regular Rider-Waite Tarot deck, I am using Chakra Wisdom Oracle cards and Monology by Yasmin Boland to establish and draw a theme for the whole month. So right now I'm feeling that you are Cancer people are divided into relationship and career. Situation might be bringing you some sort of relationship opportunity in the month of August, but you are very much inclined or you have to remain focused on your work. This is the contradictory situation in your life. You need to do something else and you have been offered another thing. Okay, in the past you might have gotten some sort of very good offer for the business, for this is some sort of job or business opportunity or anything, an idea that has been changed your life, and you really worked hard on this point. It's not that you are not talking to the person that is on your mind, or not talking to the person who is trying to reconnect with you. I feel you already knew this person, but you have been trying very hard for past couple of months to control your emotions, and I feel you have been successful to some extent to remain stubborn and cold as far as emotions are concerned. You are not manifesting this person anymore in your life. You are more focused on your work situation, on your financial situation. It's not that you are very much conscious to have a good strong quick communication with the other person. Rather, I feel for some Cancerians, I feel that you might have thought that I should leave this fight, I should leave this person because the person is not opening up, because the person is not giving you enough, because you were not satisfied from the person or the approach that person is using in the connection. But one more thing which is very prominent over here, that I have nothing is yet set in stone. Whatever the situation is it's not stable. Basically, situation is having their its own up and down. Some days are very good, some days are very low. So it's not set in the stone right now. You need to give this situation a chance to establish itself. And a very happy news for you as well, that if you are very much concerned about your work, if you are very much conscious about earning, if you are very much keen into working hard and getting enough money, making enough money, August will be a month when you will have plenty of everything. You will have abundance in everything, whether it's money or relationship or even health. You will be feeling a calm, serene state of mind in this month. Okay, one more thing which is very important to see over here, that you are really trying hard not to move towards that person anymore, not to move towards the person in a sense that you start giving them some sort of offer, because I feel if you have offered them anything in the past, they didn't accept that. Now at this point it's really difficult to tell you that why they have rejected, but I really feel that the situation has turned you down, and you really feel that I don't need to remain focused on this person. But again, nothing is yet set in stone. Okay, situation is taking turns, things are changing. You need to work hard for your whatever job you are doing in your life, because you will be getting more and more work offers if you are producing something, if you are giving out something, whether it is something in a product form or services. You will be getting lot of work this month, and you will be getting enough money to earn this month. So this was the reading for Cancer, Sun, Moon and Rising. I hope you will like it. I will wait for your feedback till the next reading. Take care. Bye.